Hello, everyone. Hope you had a wonderful second half of the week and a nice weekend here in the Northeast. It's been nothing but rain. Pretty much feels like Seattle at this point, and hopefully, we start seeing some sunshine. Anyway, that all out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into the dollar index. And took a little bit of creativity here, and I was just trying to figure out exactly what was the top level resistance area here, along with looking back at the previous gap fill that we had. We pushed into the body of this candle essentially and were rejected, basically closing right near the previous close here on this candle. So full gap fill, that's fine. And then I decided to throw in a little bit of a trend line here to see what that top level resistance was going to be, and it looks to be aligning fairly well. So I'm going to just go ahead and maintain that and look for further price retracement here in the dollar. I think this move is just about peaked for now. Looks like we should see a little bit of a pullback hourly time frame. Looking at the RSI as well, it's still substantially weaker than it was just when it was back at the 93.30 level. And when we went up to those 93.70s, again we barely cracked that 70 level. So looking for another push to the downside, at least to the 93.30s, and then onwards back down to the 93 level. From there, I imagine we'll probably see another bounce back up to those 93.42s. Again, back to the daily time frame so we can all see exactly what the big picture is here. So looking at that pullback to those 93.30s, probably see another push up tonight to test the resistance level, and then another move down. And once we crack the trend line here, trend line support, we should see a move, as I said, down around 93, and then after that a break back down to those 92.60s, and then that's also the 23.6 fib level. So there's a few things that are going on here that I'm looking at. The upside should be topped off really around the 93.70s. I think that we have pretty much seen the end of the upside here. I think that we should see another pullback. 92.60s is what I'm looking for after the 93 test. So have to see what one does to see if we do get that other push. So if we break the 93s again, 92.60s, if we hold 93s, then we'll see another push back up, potentially moving up to those 93.80s, maybe even running up to 94. So we have to take all that into consideration here. But for right now, I am expecting near term some more weakness here, a little bit of a kind of cooling off period, and then let's see if the dollar tries for higher or if it continues to push back to the downside, 92.60s.